In this video, let's talk about the size and type of the spacer we recommend for the Toyota Highlander. Let's go. There are several factors that determine which Toyota Highlander wheel spacer size are the best. The first thing to consider is your wheel gap. Simply put, 20mm spacers will push the wheel and tires out about 20mm. The best size of Toyota Highlander wheel spacers are always determined by the actual wheel gap. For stock tire setup, 20mm spacers provide a perfect flush stance. However, if you change to aftermarket wheels, things may become different. The second factor is the bolt pattern. Mostly, vehicle-specific Toyota Highlander wheel spacers are far safer and better than those universal types. So, you will need 5x140.3 wheel spacers to fit. Specific Toyota Highlander wheel spacers are often hub-centric. The center bolt is designed to be 16.1mm, which is the diameter of the hub flange where the wheel sits to the hub. Bonus active cooling Toyota Highlander wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make the brake cooling better. Distributed in petal shape, these grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that are distributed on the corner of Toyota Highlander wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving road safety. As long as your Toyota Highlander wheel spacers are high quality, there is no significant downside. Besides wheel spacers' base function, bonus spacers provide additional advantages. For example, the active cooling technique and non-side surface. This boosts the heat dissipation efficiency of the rotors, hence improving road safety. If you intend to install performance brakes, bonus Forge active cooling Toyota Highlander wheel spacers will give you a much better experience. If you like our videos, please give us a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.